Hello, folks. I created this playlist to reward academic distinction. I realized that it was highly insensitive of me to fail to recognize the outstanding contributions that some of these people make to science. And so the honor roll here is designed to showcase the questions and statements these underappreciated enthusiasts make. It's a way of compensating these hard thinking individuals for their extraordinary creativity. An idiot is an individual with big ideas. The word comes from the Middle Klingon meaning big idea. An idiot typically asks questions such as, why is there something rather than nothing? Or when you define the word object as that which has shape, they ask, what do you mean by shape? You tell them that the universal thread is a fundamental elementary entity, and they ask, what is the single thread made of? They are people who candidly tell you that a quantum particle can be at two places at once, or that time began at the Big Bang and is warped by gravity. So here we're going to place the breathtaking questions and statements that big thinking people make on our site.